Unable to set default Python version to Python 3 in Ubuntu. I was trying to set default Python version to Python 3 in Ubuntu 16.04. By default it is Python 2, 2.7. I followed below steps. But I'm getting the following error for the second statement.
Edit. I wrote this when I was young and naive. Update alternatives is the better way to do this. See it Pardu's answer. Outdated answer? Open your bashed file nano/.bashed. Type alias python equals python onto a new line at the top of the file, then save the file with Ctrl+O and close the file with Ctrl+X. Then, back at your command line type source/.bashed. Now your alias should be permanent.
The second line mentioned can be changed to. This gives a priority of 10 for the path of Python 3. The disadvantage of alternatively editing .bashrc is that using the commands with sudo will not work.
To change Python 3.6.8 as the default in Ubuntu 18.04 to Python 3.7. Install Python 3.7. Steps to install Python 3.7 and configure it as the default interpreter. Install the Python 3.7 package using apt-get. Sudo apt-get install Python 3.7. Add Python 3.6 and Python 3.7 to update alternatives. Update Python 3 to point to Python 3.7. Sudo update alternatives config Python 3 enter 2 for Python 3.7. Test the version of Python.
If you have Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, focal fossa, you can install Python as Python 3, which replaces the symlink in /user/bin/python to point to /user/bin/python3.
Visual